Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/the Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you. Alright, hey, this is Hans, the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today I've got one that came from an Umai crate, the May 2020 Umai crate that they were kind enough to ship during these crazy times. Thank you very much. You can go to japancrate.com and use the coupon code THERAMENRATER and get a nice discount. Who doesn't want that? So, yeah, you get nice boxes full of Japanese ramen. Here's what they look like. I've got a lot of unboxing videos, but here's what they look like, and they come with just a buttload of Japanese stuff in them. If you can see that, there, you better be able to see that. But anyways, this. I'm doing things like totally backwards today. Usually what I do is I take the pictures, get the posts all ready, and get going that way. Today, I took the pictures, haven't edited anything, haven't even scanned the packaging, and I'm gonna like buzz through all these reviews. I got 2 reviews I'm doing today. Gonna buzz through those, and then do all the editing later. But this one is Seimen Miso Ramen. Melt your taste buds, enrich miso. Enrich miso flavor with this ramen. Both the scent and taste are diffused nicely for full flavor in each slurp. Okay. Whoa, it says bring 500. Where'd the package go? Here's what it looks like. It says 550. Yeah, I'm doing 550. I don't. It says made in Japan. This is almost like a. Who makes this? I have no clue. It's like. This is one of those that is like really hard to find the brand on it. Is there a phone number? There's a phone number. So if you really can't figure out what the heck, I mean, it says Sapporo Ramen, but I don't think that's the brand. There's the phone number. So if you look that up in Google, you'll probably find the website and an actual brand name. It's can be tricky sometimes. But anyways, there's a big sachet there. How long do you want? Cooks in 4.5 minutes. Okay. So what we're going to do is take the noodle block. Look at this. Trippy. Alright. Trippy noodle block. Yeah. Okay, and we're going to drop that in our 550 milliliters of boiling water. Come on, noodle block. Sorry, stove. I apologize. 1, 2, 3, 4 and half minutes on the clock. So for Memorial Day, they had a deal at the supplement store. I don't really do a lot of I don't do like the creatine or the. I was for a while, but I don't really do that anymore. What I do is I do caffeine drinks, like lots of caffeine. And yes, I do it safely and blah blah blah. But anyways, I do these bang drinks and I really dig them. And they had a deal that if you spend $150, you get 25% off. And that made the bang drinks ultra cheap. And since I have them 2 a day anyways, I figure I'll just do it. So I got 6 cases of bang drinks. That's 72 cans. That's Oh, I don't know, 22,000 milligrams of caffeine. Ooh, beef. Yeah. Yeah, I got some weird new flavors. I got purple haze, lemon drop, blue raspberry, and cotton candy, which are really standard. They're really tasty. And then I got birthday cake bash and candy apple crisp. Now, think about this. It's a fizzy soda that tastes like birthday cake. And it's clear. And it's full of caffeine. And it's weird. It is weird. And here's, check it out. Yeah, it bang, and what does it have on it? It's like a bullet coming right towards you. That's crazy. It's strange though. I mean, it's like, it reminds me of the taste of birthday cake ice cream and the scent when you get on a really, really, really hot day, right? So it's a really hot day, and it's like the siding on houses and buildings, the paint on it, this starts making the smell. You know what I mean? Kind of like the smell of drying paint. It tastes like birthday cake and that. Yeah, I know. You know, this is miso that we're making. So, oh man. Oh man. Oh man, you said it, Miles. Well, I was gonna use some corn. See, people like to drop stuff at the in the mailroom. Like they'll go to the food bank and they'll just like leave the stuff that they don't want and kind of like pass it forward and leave it in the mailroom. Well, one time there was just like, God, I want to say like 10 cans of sweet corn with Pop Tops. I'm like, yeah, I could totally use that for miso, but I'm out. I used them all. I purposed them. And there's no more purposing because purposing has been purposed. So, but we're almost done anyways with our timer. So we will be plating this in a moment. It comes with a sachet of liquid, and I'm really hoping this isn't just like a violent apoplectic smackdown of red miso, because red miso just ain't my thing. I'm sure a lot of you love it, but personally red miso is like, for years I disliked miso because all you ever get in the US generally seems like it's red miso, and this looks like red miso. We'll see. That smells interesting. Red and white miso mix very nicely. So I'm hoping that might be what we have here. If it's just red miso, chances are I'm not going to like it. That doesn't smell bad. It looks nice. Broth has a lovely shade to it. These noodles look like they're going to be kind of like a funky kind of chew to. Oh, now I'm getting that red miso scent. Cheers. That's not bad. It's red in something else. Or it's like, yeah, I don't know if it's just red in some other seasonings or what, but that's pretty good. I can live with that. I would happily eat this whole bowl, but the next one I'm doing is going to be a mukbang, so. Noodles are chewy. They've got that nice, slightly kind of doughy Hakata style thing going on, but then again, it's not the same. Interesting. I like that. I like that. That makes me really wish I did have some. What do you call it? What I was just talking about. Some corn. Some corn. But I digress. I've got some mung bean sprouts. Make sure you can see what I'm doing here. Mung bean sprouts. How about, since I don't have any corn, I do have miso, or chashu. I baked up, or I didn't really bake them. I've got some eggs. Eggs! Did you guys watch Desperate Living yet? Or Pink Flamingos? If you haven't seen that yet, you really need to. It's a really, really weird movie. It's a John Waters film. And if you're not familiar with John Waters, you're gonna be like, what is this guy telling me to watch? Wait, there's more of these movies? These are really weird. If you're not comfortable with like really, really weird things, then I suggest you get comfortable before you watch Pink Flamingos, because it's a weird movie. Definitely a weird crew. Desperate Living is even weirder, I think. I think there could be some debate about that, but I would say Desperate Living is weirder than Pink Flamingos. Oh yeah, Goopy, beauty. Yeah, Goopy. And let's add some of the spring onion. I got all this spring onion the other day at the store, and like literally one day later, it was all wilted and sad. And by sad, I mean freaking. If you could have an icon for these spring onions, they were like tearing up, downward, upside down smile. Let me just put it that way. Or if it's too late to do that. No? Okay. And I've got some Kazami Shoga. This is pickled ginger. Somebody's gonna flip out. Oh, you tasted the... Yeah, well, you know, nobody else in this house eats this other than me, so I don't care. Yeah, but the... No, I don't care. I'm pretending you're arguing with me, and I'm just doing it, just me, arguing for you, on your behalf. Yeah, I'm kind of weird. A little bit of sesame. A little bit of... This is a fancy shichimi I got from Wajimaya. A little bit of that. I'm going to go with the Leiu. I don't know why I even bothered buying the other one. This is a chili oil with chili pepper. I got the one that's just chili oil. It's like, pfft, that was stupid. Because this one's cool. It's got the chili pepper with it. So I think I'm never going to use the other one. And there we have some miso transformed to level 10, I would say. And I think it's time now to let Rotato work its ever-loving magic on this bowl. So let's make it. No. Come on, we want. No! Yeah! Why not? Right like that. I'm even gonna change the song. Alright, super cool. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Hey, head on over to japancrate.com and use the coupon code The Ramen Raider for a discount. Head on over to the Android Play Store and type in the Ramen Raider and get yourself the app. You can scan the barcodes of different ramen at the store. You can search for everything. You can find happiness, zen, and wonder. And also go check out shop.theramenraider.com to get everything you need. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one and bye.